Hey there! Welcome to our I Spy adventure. Today we're going to play a game where you get to find hidden things in a scene. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, here's how it works. I'll say, I spy with my little eye something that is either a color, shape, specific item, or starts with a letter of the alphabet, and you have to guess what it is. Ready? I spy with my little eye something that starts with the letter C. Can you guess what it is? Did you guess the car? Or maybe the caterpillar? Great job! Here's the car, and here's the caterpillar. Let's look for something else. I spy with my little eye something that's a circle. Did you guess the basketball? Basketball! How about the yo-yo? Yo-yo! You're really good at this. Let's move on to our next scene. I spy with my little eye something red. Did you guess the apple, the clock, or the crayons? That's right. Here's the apple and the clock and the crayons. Let's keep going. I spy with my little eye a pencil. Can you find the pencil? You got it. Here's the pencil. You're so good at this. Let's move on. Now, here's a tricky one. I spy with my little eye a bottle of sunscreen. Can you find the bottle of sunscreen? Here's a hint. If you find the beach bag, you'll see the sunscreen. Yes, it's right here. Sunscreen starts with an S. Sunscreen. Since we're talking about the letter S, can you find anything else that starts with the letter S? Wonderful! There's the sun, sunglasses, seagulls, and there's a swimsuit, a starfish, a sandcastle, seashells, and a ship. Wow, there's a lot of things at the beach that start with the letter S. That's all for now. You did such an amazing job. Thanks for playing I Spy. Keep your eyes open for the next adventure. Goodbye.